Hello children, how are you doing? I hope all are fine and all are up to date. Where I have taken in a previous class, I had started your first chapter, that is crop production and management, right? And you already know that. What do you mean by crop? Means once again I am just recalling the things which I taught you in a previous class. First thing what we studied, that is crop. Okay, crop means the cultivation of a large amount of the plants. Same type of the plants on the farm is called as a crop. Cultivation of large amount of the plants on a small area or a small field or a large field is called as a crop. And the next thing we come across the farming. Farming means the same thing, the cultivation of the plants. Cultivation of the plants on a farm. The cultivation of the plant on the farm, in the farm is called as a farming. Farming means the cultivation of a plant on the farm is called as your farming. And after that what you study, that is agriculture. It is a nothing but a science. It is a branch of science where you are studying the cultivation of the plants as well as growing of the plants as well as for the livestock, means for the future storage, that is called as a agriculture. Agriculture is the science that deals with the growing of plants and raising the livestock of animals. Means for the livestock of animals means here the pashu sangopane. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೊಲವನ್ನ ಉಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಿತ್ತುತ್ತೀರಿ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ, agriculture. And after agriculture you again study the produce. That is the produce. Produce means what are the product of that product which obtained by the crops. The product which obtained by the crops. The product which obtained by the crop is called as a produce. Produce nothing but a product of crops, right? Okay. And after that I have taught you the various crops like cereals or grains and pulses and fiber crops, oil seed crop and tuber crops and sugar crops and root crops, and last one is that is beverage crops. Okay. And after that, depending on the seasons we are dividing the crops into two kinds, that is rabi crops and kharif crops. The first one is rabi crops and second one is kharif crops. Here what we are calling means the sowing of the seed. The sowing of the seeds is in the month of October to November, and we are getting the product in the month of March and April. And again for the rabi crop there are examples, that is wheat, mustard, barley, gram. The wheat, mustard, barley, grams and etc. Okay. And here these rabi crops are also called as a winter crops. Okay. From October to November until the March and April, up to the summer season. What is the season we are having here? The winter season. That's why rabi crops are called as a winter crops. And here the kharif are sown in the month of in the month of June and July and harvested, or the products we are getting in the month of September or October. Now this is the season season where June and July we are sowing the seeds and the products are the harvested in the month of September and October, and here these crops are called as a summer crops. Summer crops, because here there is not much amount of the humidity or the water content available for the crops. That's why the monsoon, these crops are depending on the rains. These crops are totally depending on the rains. That's why these crops are also called as monsoon dependent. Dependent crops. Okay, and for this I had again given the example of pulses and maize and the cotton and groundnuts. Maize, pulses, groundnut and cotton. Groundnut and cotton, etc. Okay, I hope now we are able to answer what do you mean by Rabi crop and what do you mean by Kharif crops. Okay, here the Kharif crops are called as a summer crops. Means why summer crop means here the March to April to June to July. June to July we are having the summer season, and after that we are started sowing where the water is not available. That's why these are also called as monsoon dependent crops. Monsoon dependent crops. Is it clear? Okay, we will next go for the that is next topic. Here some time to answer they have asked means fill in the blanks. The first thing, dash crops depend on the monsoon rain for the growth. Dash crops depend on the rain for the growth. Means which crop? The just now I said you, that is Kharif crop. Kharif crop. Next, dash is the largest occupation in our country or in our country. Which is our largest occupation of a country? Obviously, that is agriculture. That is agriculture. Next, rice and wheat are example of dash. Rice and wheat are example of grain crops. Grain crops. Okay. Various type of crops I said. There rice and wheat are the example for the grain crops. Next one, mustard is a source of dash. From the mustard we are extracting the oil. That's why mustard is a oil seed crops. Oil seed crops. And the next one, beetroot is a source of what? Example is beetroot is a source of carbohydrates. Source of carbohydrates. Okay, that is beetroot is a sugar crop. Beetroot is a sugar crop. Source is sugar you can call, or a carbohydrates. Is it clear? Okay. Next, moving towards basic. Now the next topic is basic agricultural practices. And here, what do you mean by basic agricultural practice means? Here, the farmer do the various activities to get the very good growth of the plants and very good product of the crops. Right? Means the various activities that farmer perform to get the or to produce the good crop is called as a agriculture activity. Agricultural activity means the farmer perform the various activities to produce us a good crop is called as a agricultural practice. Okay, and here what are the things a farmer is coming across? I'll just note down. The first one, preparation of soil. Agricultural practices which are, first he prepares the soil. Preparation of soil. Okay, the next one, sowing of seeds. Next one is sowing of seeds. And third one, manuring. After manuring, you are coming across the irrigation. And the next one, after irrigation, you are having the protection of crops. Protection of crops. The next thing, that is harvesting. Next one, storage. Means a farmer used to do all these practices, then only we are going to get the good crops, or else we are not getting the up to the mark crops. Means our whatever the crops we are having for the food, they are not up to the mark. Okay, and here first what we do here, preparation of soil. Preparation of soil means I hope in everywhere in Karnataka we are seeing everyone now in June and July the Kharif crops are going to be sown. Kharif crops are going to be sown. What they do, the first they are doing preparation of the soil. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೊಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೇಗಿಲು ಹೊಡಿತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ನೆಲವನ್ನ ಹದ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೆಲನ ಹದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ after that what, after doing the plowing, what they are going for, sowing of the seeds. Means they put the seeds into the prepared soil. Okay, they are putting the seeds. And next, manuring. Manuring means they are using the, you can call it as a cow dung or a gobra anta karitivi. Manuring means you are applying the fertilizers, for the good growth of the crops. And the next one, irrigation. Irrigation means you are giving the water, to the crops. Next one is protection of the crops. Means here whatever the crops we are growing that are attacked by the various birds and the various animals for the food. For that purpose we have to protect, we need to protect our crops. Then the next step is we are protecting the crops. And next one, after that, after grown up the crops, what we are going to do, that is harvesting. Harvesting means whatever the crops, now the products that we have obtained, right? First they were seedlings, and after that they are growing into a plants, and after that they are giving into your seeds, and that seeds you are collecting, the collection of the seeds. This is called as a harvesting. And after harvesting, for the future purpose, means ಈಗ ಬಿತ್ತಿದ ಬೆಳೆಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹ ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. The agricultural practice is preparation of soil. The first step of growing crops is prepare the soil. I said you here all the farmers now in the season of June and July, the June and July are the preparation of the soil they were doing. The preparation of soil involves ಏನೇನಿದೆ preparation of soil ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ plowing and leveling. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಲನ ಹದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೇಗಿಲು ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು. ಪ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೇಗಿಲನ್ನ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, it is having ups and downs, they are going to make it as a leveled surface. And here the soil needs to be loosened. The soil ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಬೆಳೆನ ತೆಗೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀರು ಬಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the soil is change into a hard surface. ಆ ಸಾಯಿಲನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೀಜಗಳು, ಬೇರೆ ಗಿಡದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್, the roots of the plants ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಯಿಲನ್ನ ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So here the soil needs to be loosened so that roots can penetrate deep into the soil and can breathe easily. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ the roots of the plants easily get into the soil. That's why we need to make the soil loosened. And next, here the soil plowing will be done by using the plow use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, and hoe and cultivator. Means plowing is a very important thing where the primary steps the farmer is going to take into your farming. Okay, first here the instrument we are using for the plowing, are plow, hoe and cultivator. Here what is the use of what is the use of these instrument is the advantages of the plowing, that is it helps to bring the nutrient rich soil from the lower surface to the top and making it available to the soil, and I hope everyone have seen the plowing. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೇಗಿಲು ಹೊಡೆಯೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೇಗಿಲು ಹೊಡಿತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೇಗಿಲು ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Consider they are the line where they are doing the plowing. Okay, here when they are doing this, top soil is having a nutrient rich, means ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೀವು ಬೆಳೆದ ಬೆಳೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲಿನ ಲೇಯರ್, the top of the soil is now less the nutrients it is having. That's why whenever we are doing the plowing, this soil is getting down and the down soil is coming up. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲಿನ ಲೇಯರ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ ರಿಚ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ taking to the top surface, and whatever the weak soil we are having, that is going and getting down into the surface. And the next advantage is here it also helps to maintain the moisture for a longer period. Andre you already saw whenever we are doing the plowing, you saw that the moisture content is there in the your bottom soil which came on the top surface, right? And now it is making you to the moisture content available for the crops. Is it clear? And here next, after plowing the soil, some big pieces of soil called as the crumbs remain in the soil, which may cause the difficulty in the sowing of a seeds. To break the big pieces soil, leveling of a soil is required. It is done with the help of wooden or a iron plank. Means in ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here what they are saying, here consider, here it is your land. Okay, now you are plowing here. Okay, plowing ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು you are having a plow. Now the farm has been plowed, ಪ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲಂಪ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ನೀವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ, ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಹೆಂಟೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? that crumbs are placed here. What we are doing is using the iron plank, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಡೆದು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಹೆಂಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಐರನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಒಡೆದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. Is it clear? That is a plowing. That is called as a plowing. ಹೊಲವನ್ನ ಬಿತ್ತೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಹೊಲವನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಇವಾಗ ಹದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನಾಟ್ ಬಿತ್ತೋದು, ಹೊಲವನ್ನ ಹದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, agricultural implements. Agricultural implements means nothing but the instrument or a special tools. Okay, next. I said you that is plow, hoe and cultivators are nothing but agricultural implements. Agricultural implements are nothing but the special tools used by the farmer. The farmer needs some special tools to grow the crops, and the tools used by the farmer during the farming are called as the agricultural implements. Means during the preparation of soil or during the farming, the farmer uses some special tools, and those special tools are called as the agricultural implements. Here, for example, first I said you that is a plow and a hoe and a cultivator. I will show you just in a textbook. Is it visible? Okay, and this is the plow. In our country, where most of the region are using the plow, and after that hoe, and this one is cultivator. This is the cultivator. Okay, what they are saying here, plow, it is made up of wooden and iron. What the materials are used here is wooden and iron. Wooden ಮತ್ತೆ iron na use ಮಾಡಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಲೋನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The strong triangular iron strap is called as a plowshare. Here the first thing I am saying, the agricultural implement is, first one is Look. Okay. How it will look is, okay, and here okay, and here this is called as a flow shaft, and this is called as a flow shaft. Flow shaft and flow share. Okay, here flow share is, it is made up of a wooden and iron. Wooden ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು wood ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದಿಂದ, ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆದು ಮತ್ತು ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದಿಂದ ಏನನ್ನ ತಯಾರಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಫ್ಲೋನ ತಯಾರಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ. The strong triangular iron strip is called, here it is shape is the strong, okay, the strong triangular wooden strip is called as a flow share, and the long wooden part of the flow is called as a flow shaft. The long wooden shaft is called as a wooden, that is flow shaft. Okay, here in earlier times, in ancient times or in olden days, the flows were driven by animals like bulls and horses. Bulls and horses. But nowadays the plowing is done by the cultivator driven by the tractors. Okay. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗಲೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೇಗಿಲು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫ್ಲೋ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ನೇಗಿಲು, ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ನೇಗಿಲು, ನೇಗಿಲನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೊದಲಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನನ್ನ ಹಚ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಎತ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಕಟ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಕುದುರೆಗಳನ್ನ, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಬುಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಸಸ್. ಬುಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಸಸ್ ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಇದು ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನ ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ನ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬಾಡಿಗೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟರ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ನ ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ hoe. Next agricultural instrument or implement is hoe. Hoe also you can call, or a hoe also you can call. Here a hoe is consist of a long rod of wooden or iron. Idu saha long rod of iron or wooden with a broad strong iron plate attached to end. The bent plates act as a blade and is useful for the loosening of the soil and removing the weeds. Idu saha ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ರಾಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, okay, this is the grip where the person is holding this hoe. Okay, and next here the bend plate. Here it is called as a bend plate. And here it is a one rod. Okay, and this is the rod, and this is the beam, and this is the handle. This is the beam and that is a rod. Here a hoe consists of a rod having a wooden or iron with a broad strong iron plate attached to one end. Andre ee one end alli plate anna kottidare. Okay, and the bent plate act as a blade. It will act like a blade, and here is useful for the loosening soil and removing the weeds. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೂಸು ಸಹ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಎಳಿತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಲೂಸು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಎಳಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಳಿತಾ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಳಿತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೂಸು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈ ಕಸ ಕಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಕಳೆ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇದರಿಂದ ಕಳೆನೂ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ agricultural implement is that is cultivator. Next one is cultivator. A cultivator is a type of a farm implement used for the secondary tillage. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಟೀಲೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಗೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಟೀಲೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಹೊಲನ ನೇಗಿಲ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಥವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟೀತ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಶಾನ್ಸ್. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಶಾನ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಟೀತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್, these are the teeth, these are the shanks. Okay, and here the cultivator is a type of a farm implement used for the secondary tillage, and its teeth piece of the soil they are dragged to it. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಶಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟೀತ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಎಳಿತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. The cultivators are driven with the help of the tractors. I said you before, where in nowadays all the people are using the tractors for the preparation of the soil. Okay, they stir and pulverize the soil. ಅಂದ್ರೆ pulverize ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲಿನ soil ನ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಿನ soil ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ nutrient rich ಯಾವ soil ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that will come up and the nutrient weak soil will go down, pulverizing the soil either before the planting or after the crop has started growing. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟರ್ ನಾವು ಇದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳೆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಳೆಯೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, and next one, okay, I'll conclude the class here today. And one more thing I said you, what are the things I said you is, that is today I just discussed the previous class. What do you mean by crop, farming and agriculture and produce, and after that I discussed about the various type of crops and the types of the crops depending on the season, that is rabi crop and kharif crop, and some fill in the blanks I discussed with you. And next I just started teaching of the basic agricultural practice, where you studied the preparation of the soil and sowing of the seeds, manuring and irrigation and protection of the crops, harvesting and storage. And here I just taught you of the first one, the preparation of the soil. Means preparation of the soil is very much important to grow the crops, to grow the good crops, where we are using the very much agricultural implements, that is we are using the plow, hoe and cultivator. Okay, here you studied. Okay, today's homework is, we'll study the next agricultural practice, that is sowing of seeds in a next class. And today's homework is, what are the agricultural practices. Okay, next define agriculture. First one, agriculture and crop. Okay, and third one, write a note on preparation of soil. Okay, these are the homeworks for you today's class, that is what are the agricultural practice, what are the things I said you. And next, define agriculture and crop, and third one, write a note on preparation of the soil. Now I said you the preparation of the soil, write a short note, write the short note on preparation of the soil and what are the implements you are using, the basic tools you are using. You can explain that too. Is it clear? Okay, and while coming of the before the class, just prepare with, please be with your homework and your books. Okay, if you have any doubt we can discuss later. Okay, thank you and take care of yourself and be safe and wear the mask and use the sanitizer. Have a good day. Thank you.